Hey there, how's it going? I hope you're doing well. Today we are going to be reviewing the Logitech 432 and 403. Alright, so I just bought these, and one is a gaming headset and the other is a gaming mouse, and we're just gonna unbox them and do the whole review thing. So let's start by getting into the mouse first, because I'm most excited about the gaming headphones, and everyone knows that patience is good, as he pulls out a knife. Alright, let's open this up. I suck at opening packages, honestly. I'm like the worst. Let's pull it out. That was terrible. But we got the mouse, and it is out. Oh, looks cool. Nice, it feels good. It sounds nice and clicky. Alright, now that we have all this stuff out, let's go over to the actual person who will be reviewing this, a more intelligent self over at the desk. Take it away, Aiden. Thank you very much, Aiden. I am the more intelligent Aiden, and I will be diving into the interior of the box and the specifications, if you will. We are diving into the Logitech G403, and it comes nicely packaged. The mouse itself is right here. Inside the box, you get a sticker. You get an advertising, that thing. No one really cares about that. We also have the user guide, and we have important safety features as well as a cardboard box with a Logitech logo. That is everything that comes in the box aside from the mouse itself. Alright, so here is our mouse, and it looks really good. Here it is. Look at that, all the wonderful features. All you tech people will love this. So there is a clicky button here, and a clicky button here, and a clicky button here, and a slidey button here, and two more clicky buttons here. So all in all, you would get a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 customizable buttons. Another cool feature is they want to be very accurate towards the weight. They want it to feel good. So they added in a 10 gram weight. That is right here. And you can take that out if you're that finicky by just pressing hard and then pulling. And then 10 grams is removed. That's simple. It also magnets back in very well. Back to Aiden for his thoughts. Wow, thank you, Aiden. That was so informative. I am nowhere near as smart as Aiden at the desk, but I do have thoughts of my own, so I'm going to say those right now. The box is really nice. I like the shiny little part on there and how it's indented and how you can rub your finger against it, and it just provides a nice tactile feel. But we're not here for the box, we're here for the mouse. I'm really happy with this mouse. It just looks good. The clickiness is nice, the tactile feels, touches my senses, makes me feel good. Everything is awesome. I can't wait to game and edit with it. Just fits nice. I'm excited about the sticker that they included, and actually I'm really excited about the box, the cardboard piece. I don't know why. I mean, maybe you can like spray paint their logo places with like... That might be cool. I don't know. Don't vandalize. Next product. Do you want to open it? Okay. This one doesn't have any tape to cut. Oh no, never mind. I'm just dumb. Here we go. Maybe I should let Aiden at the desk open this because I'm not nearly as intelligent. Uh-oh. Box. Yes! Here it is! Oh, I'm excited. So we're gonna take out this piece right here, and then we get our headphones. Everything is packed very loosely. At least it's not child-proof, because I'm pretty much a child. These are really nice, and I don't want to break them, so I'm going to give them to Aiden at the desk to open them and inform you about what they are going to do and how they're going to sound and everything. You know, I'm just the unboxer. but it was really fun to unbox. Here, Aiden. Alright, so here we have a very exciting package because it is the Logitech G432. And that is headphones. And so their headphones are known to be some of the best in the business, as the young kids would say nowadays. But here, if you just take this out, you get access, and you can pull these ones out like that, and you got the cord that is attached. Inside you have an adapter. Oh, you have more cords. You have more cords that adapt, and you have everything out of the box. So I'm just going to get rid of this now. This is exciting. It looks as though you have here you have an auxiliary to USB adapter. Let us put this aside. This is going to be helpful in the future. You also have in the box instructions and the safety manual and whatever. You also have this auxiliary splitter, so plugs one auxiliary into a 2. So that is also handy to have. Now, the headphones themselves. They are very bendy on my first look. Bendy. They can twist and turn and exceptionally bendy. Everything slides very smoothly. So you see this, it doesn't click. It's just smooth. Oh, there's a nice rubber-esque feel. It's not like cheap plastic. Their logo is really, really nice on there. Everything feels good. The wire does not feel cheap. Doesn't feel like it will break right here at all. And the cushions feel really nice. Now, just let me put these on because I want to know how they fit. Oh, nice. They're canceling a ton of noise just by the muffs. Wow, nice first impressions. It is very comfy to wear. I feel like you could wear these for very long gaming sessions. Such things for the kids nowadays who play Fortnite and Among Us and things like that. I am hip. Let me do the rest of the interview with these on. These are the Logitech G432 7.1 surround gaming earphones, and they come equipped with 50mm audio drivers. They also come with surround sound gameplay, so if you are playing games like Fortnite, it will hear footsteps from basically where they're coming from, because this has advanced speaker systems that will make it sound like it's coming from behind you or in front of you or 90 degrees or 12 o'clock or whatever. They also include an obnoxiously long cord. Very long. Like, this could go back all the way to the moon, basically. They also have a very nice Velcro strap for the cord to wrap it up with. I love the attention to detail when companies do this, because when they make these obnoxiously long cords, it is very nice to be able to just roll it up and Velcro it. So thank you, Logitech, for doing that. Now, a few other features of this would be the swivel ear cups. So if you are uncomfortable, you can swivel them, and actually they stay. I just swiveled them and they stayed weird. Another feature is the 6mm swivel to turn on mic. When it is up, it is off. When it is down, it is on. So that is a very nice thing, and actually, it bends. Wow, that is a neat feature. One of my personal favorite features is the volume control knob located perfectly where your thumb can find it, the back of the ear. A nice attention to detail. Back to Aiden on the bed. Wow, Aiden at the desk, that was so informative. Maybe I should just send this back to Aiden at the desk. He's way better at this than I am. But I'm just gonna video. I'll just start. thanks for watching. I really hope you enjoyed it. My final consensus, or my final answer, should you buy it? I actually am gonna say no, because the Logitech app that I had to go through did not work. It was terrible. It was awful working with it, and it was a mess, and I returned the product because it just didn't work. So I would say don't buy it. But if it works for you and you don't want to have customization or ability to change the lighting on your mouse or anything, then buy it. But that app got me so mad. Oh. I'm just gonna say, just save the money.